Hello friends, how are you? This is Arun. Today I am going to discuss about how to generate Fibonacci series in core Java, like up to n times. So this is Logic-1, and we have couple of logics as well. But in this video, I am going to discuss about Logic-1. Okay. Before discussing about before implementing the logic, let me discuss about what is the Fibonacci series. Okay. If you see here 0, comma 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. So this series is called Fibonacci series. Okay, and how to generate this series? If you see here, this 0 is called first term and this is called second term. And how we are getting, like third term, by adding previous two terms. So if you add 0 plus 1, then you are getting 1, and 1 plus 1 you are getting 2, and if you add 1 plus 2 you will get 3, and if you add 2 plus 3 then you will get 5, and if you add 3 plus 5 then what will be happen? 8. So this is one of the important this is one of the important series. And what are the applications? What is the use of Fibonacci series? So mainly I have seen for story estimations in projects, while developing projects. For story estimations, we will use Fibonacci series. Fibonacci numbers only we are going to use, and in stock market also we will use this Fibonacci series. This technique only we are going to use. Okay. Anyhow, so how to generate these numbers? We'll see now. So what will be happen? Initially, they will give you initial in a series. First, what will be happen? They will give you two terms. What are the two terms here? Say 0 and 1. So I am calling this is first term equal to 0, they will give you, and the second term also they will give you. So that is 1. So you have to calculate third term. How to calculate third term? Like this. So third term equal to, you have to add previous two terms, right? First term plus second term. Okay. Then what will be happen? Third term. So third term equal to 0 plus 1. You are getting 1 here. Then you can display 0, 1, 1. And if you want fourth term, what we need to, you have to add second term and third term. If you want fifth term, you have to add fourth term and third term, like that you have to do. So we cannot declare more variables. So then what will be happened? Same logic, right? So this logic will put into one loop, but we have to change the term values, right? So those terms how to change, we'll see in the program. And already I have taken one class. So what is the name of the class? Fibonacci numbers. So in that I have taken one main method, already created one object for scanner class. What is the use of this scanner class? To get the values from the input. And already I have displayed one message. What is that? How many terms you want? Series, right? What is the meaning of series? It contains infinity numbers, infinity terms. In terms, in that series, how many numbers we want? Like you want 5 terms, or you want 10 terms, or you want 100, you want 20, 200 times, like that. So we are asking the user, boss, how many times you want? So just I am trying to read this value from the keyboard. So this is nothing but n is nothing but user wants n times in that series. Okay. And one more thing, friends, initially they will give you two terms. What are the two terms here? Integer first term is equal to 0, and what about second term? Integer. So, or else here also you can take it, comma second term equal to 1. I am taking. That's it, friends. And after that, just display these two terms here. First term, and I'm displaying second term as well. Okay, that's it. Just I am taking one for loop here. Okay, integer I equal to 1, starting term 1, and how many terms you want? N less than or equal to n times I want. But in a series already you have printed two terms, right? So I want n minus 2 terms, I plus plus. You know, right, friends, why I am taking n minus 2? Because I want n terms. In n terms already I have displayed, I have printed two terms. That is the reason I am taking n I less than or equal to n minus 2. Then i am I am taking one third variable, I mean third variable, say third term. So how to get third term? By adding first term and second term. So add first term plus second term, that's it. So display the third term value. So what will be happen here? Third term you can display here. But if you want fourth term, then what will be happen? You have to add third term and second term. Okay, then you cannot take a fourth term, integer fourth term, or fifth term, sixth term, like that you cannot take it. Then what, I mean, so how we are doing is small logic I'm using, friends. So in the next step, what will be happened? If you want fourth term, you want third term and second term. So that is the reason what will be happen, I am moving second term into first term. So first term equal to second term. Okay, now already third term value is there, that value I am storing into second term. That's it. So what will be happen? Like a second term will become first term and third term will become second term. That's it. Let me test this program, friends. How many terms I want? I want five terms. See here, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3 you are getting here. Let me take one more number. Just I want 10, like that. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Okay, friends. And one more thing, friends. Um, I mean, for each and every iteration, what will be happen? How many times we are getting? How many times we are printing? Only one time. Suppose if you take, if you want 1,000 times or 100 times, then what will be happen? The for loop should be executed how many times? 100 means 100 minus 2, 98 times. 1000 means 1000 minus 2, 998 times. It should be n minus 2 times, it should be repeated. Okay, friends. That's it, friends. And in the next video, we'll see about the second logic, how to improve this logic, and what are the drawbacks of this logic one, and how to improve performance. I mean, to find out the to generate the Fibonacci series in the next program. That's it, friends. And if you have any doubts or any concerns, please let me know in the comment box, and I'll sort out those issues. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot for watching this video.